guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Bessie for those of you who are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your notification button so that you can get an update when we're uploading. So I just filmed this hair tutorial and thought let me do a quick intro because I don't want to just leave it as a voiceover. Clip-on that I use I purchased from AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out. They do have longer lengths. I think I got 18, but they do have longer lengths. It took your standards 2 to 3 weeks to be delivered. Nothing major. It doesn't have a weird smell. It feels like cancallion braiding hair. I don't know how to pronounce that word. That's the texture. So it's very like natural hair. I just showed my mom and she was like, oh, it looks like your hair. So yeah, it's very blendable and my hair is the same color as it. I think they have different colors, I'm not too sure, but I got the color 1. I think I either got color 1 or 1B. I'll link it down below anyway and you guys can check it out. And there is a little bit of shedding, but I mean it's synthetic hair and it's a ponytail, so that's expected. But it's not major, like it's like one strand when I like run my hands through it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, link them down below and I shall see you guys in my next one. So guys, I'm starting with towel dried freshly washed hair and I go in with a leave-in conditioner spray, but it's also a heat defense. I am not using any heat towards this entire process, but this was just the leave-in spray that was close to me, so I grabbed that. Just work that into my scalp, into my hair, nice to make it nice and soft, and it just makes it workable because I can't comb my hair while it's dry. No honey. So I go ahead with an afro pick. I only comb my hair with afro picks because anything else breaks too easily. So I just go and get it nice and fluffy. Just make sure it's detangled completely. Root to tip brushing where you can, and yeah, just get my little TWA groomed up. I go in with Shea Moisture's Straighten and Restore Styling Lotion, I think it was. I am not great at products in my hair. I am very minimal, but these are products that I just got and I'm just trying them out. So there's no reason why I used it. It's just what I had. It smells really good, so I don't mind that. Just go ahead and work that into all areas of my hair. And I get my Denman, well, not actual Denman, it's a dupe, but I get my Denman brush. This is mainly just to structure my hair a little bit and also for my edges. This is really good for like just keeping your hair just up. And I go in with my Eco Styling Gel. So what I do with this is I part my hair into 2 sections, a front and a back section. And I basically saturate my hair with the Eco Styler. As you can see, I just grab loads of it and I go ahead and saturate it with it. So just kind of like using it as a lotion. When I do this on my hair, I kind of wear it out for about 3 or 4 days without redoing it. So I do want the gel to be enough to keep it held in, you know, one position for long enough. Once I feel comfortable that there's enough gel in the hair and that I like the texture, I smoothen it up and I get a bobbin or hair tie, whatever you call it, and I just hold that first section that I've done. I hold that in place. I just use the brush to just smoothen out the back because I don't want any lumps and everything or anything to be there. As you can see, it is laid, honey. So once I'm happy with the first section, I go ahead and basically repeat the process with the second section. Exact same thing, saturating it with some Eco Styler gel, and then once I'm happy with it, just I put the 2 parts together and hold them up together in the bobbin as well. It is a workout, y'all. So once I have it in some sort of a bun, kind of go in with the second section, which is where I use my Got2b glue. I put that mostly around my edges and also just on the top parts of my hair. And I use I don't know what it's called, but the little comb thing that I use for my edges. I just use that to brush all my hair up again, just get it as nice and sleek down as I can. I really don't like super crusty looking sleek down hair, and I don't know why. I might try one day, but I do want this to still have a very natural texture, not be super like gelled down. I really hate that look. It looks nice on other people, but with my hair it's just a no. Plus my hair is just gonna spring up anyway because I have like really 4C hair. I'm convinced there's 4D out there somewhere, but yeah. So I just grab my Got2b glue around the perimeter of my hair, and I sleek it down as much as possible while leaving it still looking pretty, you know, natural-ish. Once I'm happy with that, I go ahead and I grab a scarf and tie it up, just to kind of lay down the hair even more. What you could do is, if you were going to do this at nighttime for the next day, you could sleep in this, but I was not doing that. I was wearing this for the rest of the day. So I did go ahead and set my timer on 20 minutes. And once it was done, then I took off the scarf and proceeded with my ponytail. You can see the edges are laid, honey. So again, ponytail, I got it from AliExpress. Check the description box for the link. It has 2 combs, so I just comb it. I just pin it in the front and pin it in the back. And I use the drawstring. I just get it nice and tight and pull all the way up, and then I hide the string around the hair and pin it down with a bobby pin just to keep it in place. So once I'm happy with where it's at and I'm happy with what it looks like, go ahead and I grab a section from the back of the hair and get some bobby pins and just wrap the hair around it, where the drawstring would be, and I pin it down, and just this gives it more of a natural look. So it kind of looks like I've just wrapped up my own hair, and also just hides where the clip goes in, makes it look more natural. I grabbed this spray that is from Boots. So I just spray the ponytail, A, to make it smell nice, and B, just so it's easy to comb out. Stiff wear, honey, stiff wear. So I just go ahead and touch up on my edges and I'm all done. Do you like it? Leave a comment down below. This is the final look once I had my makeup done.